Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two amazing cameras, the Nikon Z6E and the Sony ZV-E10. If you're a photography or videography enthusiast, you're going to love this comparison. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Now let's get started. Both cameras deliver exceptional image quality, but there's a slight difference. The Nikon Z6I's full-frame 24.5 mpbsi resolution excels in low-light conditions, while the Sony ZV-E10 with its large 24.2 MP APS-C Exmor CMOS sensor produces stunning images with its fast Bions X processor. When it comes to video performance, both cameras shine. The Nikon Z6E offers 4K UHD video at its best, featuring full frame and full pixel readout, ideal for serious videographers. On the other hand, the Sony ZV-E10 offers 4K movie oversampled from 6K, ensuring exceptional video quality. Both cameras excel in focus and functionality. The Nikon Z6E boasts improved AF performance, subject acquisition speed, and precision. Its dual card slots, CF Express XQD plus UZI SD, offer flexibility and peace of mind. On the other hand, the Sony ZV-E10 offers the unique product showcase setting, allowing seamless transitions between focus on faces and objects. In terms of convenience and connectivity, both cameras have their advantages. The Nikon Z6E is vertical grip ready and compatible with the new vertical battery grip, ensuring easier shutter operation when shooting vertically. It also offers USB-C constant power and charging. On the other hand, the Sony ZV-E10 allows easy live streaming with just a single USB cable and no extra hardware or software required. In this category, the Nikon Z6E shines with its compatibility with a growing line of Nikon Z lenses, as well as approximately 360 f-mount Nikon lenses with the FTZ mount adapter, sold separately. The Sony ZV-E10 also offers a range of lens options, but is more limited compared to the Nikon Z6E. That wraps up our comparison of these two cameras. Both the Nikon Z6E and the Sony ZV-E10 have their unique strengths and are fantastic choices for different needs. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this comparison, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.